Introducing Renesas's RL78 LoRa-based solution. It helps you to build low-power, long-range IoT system on LoRa-based network. It also provides demos that sensor data from sensor nodes can be easily collected and visualized in the cloud using LoRaWAN. LoRaWAN is a low-power, wide-area network protocol that enables battery-powered systems to be connected wirelessly to the Internet. Its long-range wireless communication performance facilitates the creation of wide-area networks, making it ideal for applications requiring extensive facilities management, such as utility metering, disaster prevention, infrastructure monitoring, and agriculture. Renesas's RL78 LoRa-based solution, using the world's top-class low-power RL78 microcontroller for sensing and LoRaWAN protocol control, opens up the full potential of LoRaWAN's low-power, long-range wireless communication performance, making it possible to realize a true low-power wireless IoT system. It also supports the software for ease of design, such as LoRaWAN stack corresponding to Class ABC and firmware update over the air, FUOTA, as well as tools for ease of evaluation, such as Renesas LPWA Studio and Renesas LPWA Power Estimator, thus helping you to reduce development costs. The RL78 LoRaWAN sensor demo is provided as an example application. This demo consists of an RL78G23 fast prototyping board, a Semtech SX1261-1262 shield, plus Renesas HS3001 humidity and temperature sensor module as LoRaWAN sensor node. Using the Kerlink iFEM2Cell as the LoRaWAN gateway, various cloud servers such as AWS, Azure, Cayenne, and Google Cloud Platform can be easily connected via the LoRaWAN network server for data visualization. In this demo, sensor data measurement and LoRaWAN communication software using RL78G23 and LoRaWAN network server and cloud setting methods are also provided by Renesas. By using the LoRaWAN ecosystem, you can realize both the LoRaWAN sensor network evaluation and IoT system construction using LoRaWAN with minimal man-hours. For information on how to set up and run this demo, refer to another video, RL78 LoRaWAN Sensor Demo Tutorial. Please refer to the Renesas website for more details on RL78 LoRa-based solution.